babe. I'm documenting the beginning of Blizzard 2010. I think I should say it in that voice every time. Blizzard 2010. I don't know if you can see the snow coming down. It's a lot, but it's really super light, so I don't know if you can tell. It's just starting to come on the ground. It's hard to believe that we're meant to get like 16 inches. I guess I said between 12 and 16, something like that. Anyway, this is the neighborhood as it is now. Nothing very exciting, nothing you haven't seen before. It's a bus. Ugh, it's blowing in my face, that's kind of annoying. Anyway, more videos later.